gosh, tomorrow is Friday and that's the end of the week. End of it. You can't get it back. It's gone. So today I just have sessions in the evening and somebody ordered my breakfast products. I have to drop that off to them. Somebody's cutting grass outside making loud noise, which is not the best thing ever, but yeah. I just finished editing my video vlog from yesterday, uploaded it, and now I have to bathe the doggies because I didn't get to bathe them yesterday. But first things first, breakfast time. Let's go. How you feeling, baby? How you doing? How you doing? Squishy, squishy. You still licking it up? They hate to bathe. They hate it. My clean babies. My clean, squishy muffins. Yay! Finally got time to bathe the doggies. They were definitely needing a bath. Now it's my turn to bathe. So I'm bathed and clean. And now it's time to shred the mangoes for my mango kuchela. If you guys are interested, message me. Are you clean? Are you clean? Yes, yes, fluffy, fluffy. Don't mean nothing, it's one for the night. Don't waste my time, Heading out. Errands with mommy. Alrighty guys, I'm home finally. I just printed out some stuff and I'm going to head down. I have an exercise session now. Seems to dust inside and I just have to drop the breakfast products in bamboo area. If you guys are interested, message me on my social media. So I'm just gonna quickly eat my nuts and chocolate madness and head over. I'm on my way! Woohoo! Wear my exercise clothes one time. Delivering my package. Everything is environmentally friendly. Yay! Save the environment, guys. Guys, I'm finished with my exercise session and check up. They both lost weight. I'm so happy. The program is working. One lost 1 pound and the other one lost like 3 to 4 pounds. Yes. Woo! And you know, it's all about making lifestyle changes. Lifestyle changes that you are willing to make to help you with your goals, and I can help you with that. So message me if you're interested, guys. And the exercise sessions are 1 hour long, and we do cardio and different things to burn fat. So burn that fat with me. Burn it. Get fit with Didi. Alrighty guys, my video vlog is uploaded on YouTube as well as Facebook. Go check it out. You know what it is. And if you're interested in any of my products or nutrition services, message me. Message me. I will get the products to you. Doggies went to the vet yesterday. So guys, I'm home. Yay, I just ate and now I'm gonna have some nuts and chocolate. Ooh. Ooh. And I think I'm gonna keep my calendar clear for tomorrow, Friday. It had some traffic to get home because it's carnival now, so everything's gonna be blocked off and traffic's gonna be crazy. Huh. What do you guys do for carnival? Do you play? Do you watch? Do you stay home? I might be the stay-at-home one. I'm not sure what we're gonna do because the traffic just gets so crazy and it's so frustrating. Oh my gosh. But I got my products to the person. I hope she likes it. And The exercise session and revisit session was wonderful for Shape Me Didi, guys. Let me help you with your lifestyle changes. Don't think of it as you being on a diet, because honestly, it's not that. And just by making a few changes that suit you, you're able to see such a difference in your health and wellness, which is what you really want. So please stop trying all these crazy fad diets. Eventually you'll see the point of them being useless, because yes, you may lose weight, sometimes it's muscle mass, and then you gain fat, which is not great for the body, and you gain back the weight after you come off the fat diet, which is fast weight loss. Doesn't make sense. So join Shape Me Didi. Let me help you on the right path, the right track for your life. Please be safe tomorrow, Carnival Friday. Please, please, please. It's a weekend now, crazy weekend. And I just have to type up the revisit session from today and send that off, so you get it every time. It's wonderful. I'm so happy they're happy and they're making progress. Oh, my Shape Me Didi people. Yay! Yay, yay, yay. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Sleep well. Remember, guys, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.